Women are a force of nature, unstoppable, unbreakable, and resilient beyond measure. Their strength isn't just found in muscles or power, but in the quiet courage to rise each day and conquer challenges head-on. It's in the grace they show when faced with adversity and the determination that burns like fire within them. Women transform pain into power, struggle into success, and dreams into reality. Never underestimate the strength of a woman who believes in herself. She can move mountains, inspire nations, and change the world.